Imagine a world where going to space is as normal as boarding a flight, where rockets don't explode into the ocean after one use, but land, refuel, and fly again, where humanity is no longer limited to one fragile planet. That future may depend on a single invention, a machine so powerful, so ambitious, that it could redefine civilization itself. That machine is Starship, built by SpaceX. And its defining feature? Full reusability. For over 60 years, rockets have worked in the most inefficient way imaginable. We build them, launch them, and then throw them away. The legendary Saturn V, the rocket that took humans to the moon, was used exactly once per mission, gone, destroyed, lost. Even the space shuttle, which was marketed as reusable, wasn't really. Huge parts of it were discarded every flight, and the parts that were recovered required months of repair. Now think about airplanes. Imagine if every flight required a brand new plane. Ticket prices would be impossible. That's exactly how spaceflight has worked. Then came a radical idea. What if rockets didn't have to be thrown away? What if they could land? Reuse changed everything. Led by Elon Musk, SpaceX developed the Falcon 9, and when that first booster landed upright, it felt like science fiction had become real. Suddenly, rockets became reusable, costs began to drop, launch frequency increased. But Falcon 9 was just the beginning. It wasn't fully reusable. Starship is. Starship is the most powerful rocket ever built, but power isn't what makes it revolutionary. Reusability is. Starship consists of two parts, the Super Heavy booster, the Starship spacecraft. Both are designed to launch, return, land, fly again. Key innovations: 1. Full reusability. No part is meant to be discarded. 2. Rapid turnaround like airplanes, not rockets. 3. Massive payload, over 100 tons to orbit. 4. Orbital refueling. Starships refuel other starships in space. 5. Stainless steel body, cheap, durable, heat-resistant. This is not just a rocket, it's the beginning of a space transportation network. Here's the truth. Technology doesn't change the world. Affordable technology does. Right now, getting to space costs thousands of dollars per kilogram. Starship could reduce that to tens of dollars per kilogram. Let that sink in. That's like turning private jets into budget airlines. When that happens, satellites become cheaper and more abundant. Space stations become larger. Manufacturing moves into orbit. Entire industries are born. Lower cost doesn't just improve space, it unlocks it. Starship's ultimate purpose is not just orbit, it's expansion. The moon through NASA's Artemis program, Starship will land astronauts on the moon again. But this time, we stay. Mars is the real goal, a second home for humanity. Starship could carry 100+ people, deliver habitats and supplies, build entire settlements. For the first time in history, we have a vehicle capable of making this real. Why does this matter? Because everything we've built exists on a single planet, and that planet is fragile. Asteroids, climate risks, global catastrophes. One event could end everything. But a multiplanetary civilization? That changes the equation. Starship isn't just transportation. It's a survival mechanism, a technological multiplier, a doorway to infinite expansion. It could do for space what ships did for Earth during the age of exploration. Imagine this, traveling across Earth in under an hour, space tourism becoming normal, hotels orbiting Earth, mining asteroids for resources, manufacturing in zero gravity. This is not centuries away. This is decades. Maybe sooner. Every once in a while, humanity creates something that changes everything. The wheel, electricity, the internet. Starship might belong on that list because it doesn't just improve life on Earth, it gives us a future beyond it. Pause. And for the first time, that future feels within reach. Thanks for watching Astrotech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay innovative.